Stop saving email attachments manually. In this video, I'll show you how to build a Power Automate flow that automatically uploads every attachment from your incoming email straight into OneDrive. No downloading, no dragging, no forgetting. Now let's get started. Step 1. Create the automated flow. Go to Power Automate, click Create, then select Automated Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name, search for the trigger when a new email arrives, and click Create. This trigger will run every time a new email lands in your inbox. Step 2. Configure the email trigger. In the trigger settings, set Include Attachments to Yes and set Only with Attachments to Yes. This ensures the trigger only activates when an email arrives that actually contains one or more attachments. Setting both options to Yes together keeps the flow clean and avoids unnecessary runs. Step 3. Add a condition to check for attachments. Add a condition action after the trigger. In the condition, set the value to the dynamic content has attachments, set the operator to is equal to, and set the value to true. All the next steps will be placed inside the true branch of this condition, so the flow only continues when attachments are confirmed to be present. Step 4. Add an apply to each loop. Inside the true branch, add an apply to each action and set it to loop through the attachment's dynamic content from the trigger. This step handles situations where an email contains more than one attachment. Each attachment will be processed individually inside this loop. Step 5. Add the Create File action for OneDrive. Inside the Apply to each loop, add the Create File action for OneDrive for Business. Set the folder path to the OneDrive folder where you want the files saved. For the file name and file content fields, use expressions as shown on screen. The name expression refers to the name field from the Apply to each action, and the file content expression uses content bytes. This uploads each attachment directly into your OneDrive folder. Step 6. Save and test the flow. Save the flow, then send yourself a test email with 3 different files attached. Once the flow runs, open your OneDrive folder and check that all 3 files have been saved there automatically. If all 3 files appear, your automation is working perfectly. That's it. You've now built a flow that automatically saves email attachments to OneDrive without any manual work. If this helped you, give the video a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more Power Automate tutorials.